Hey guys, so I have here my Jabra Evolve wireless headset, and today I want to show you how to unpair this headset from all devices. And what we have to do here is a factory reset, and we do this by just turning on the headset. And here I'm showing you how this right now connects to my iPhone. So you see this here on the left, it says connected. And then we're going to take a look at the side of the ear cup with the buttons, and we're going to press and hold here the answer and the volume up button, and we're going to press and hold both at the same time. And after about 5 seconds we're going to see the green light here, the LED, blinking a couple of times. See this? About 5 times it's going to blink rapidly. And then when we're taking a look at the connection on the phone again, we can see now that it just disconnected. So that means the factory reset was completed. And so now the next time we're going to turn on our headset, it's not going to connect with our smartphone anymore. And we're going to have to pair this again. So we're going to start here the pairing mode by pushing the lever upwards. And then we see here the LED blinking in blue. And then if we're taking a look at the smartphone, on the very bottom of the list here, we see Jabra Evolve 65 in this case. So we're going to select that and we are back in the business. We have it connected again. Okay, so yeah, this is already it here. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below and don't forget to like and subscribe.